Welcome to Sir Fritz Social Studies class in the disciplines and ideas in the social sciences. And for this video recorded discussion, we will be focusing on social science application. So let us begin our discussion for the topic, what is social science? Let us have the video.
Put simply, social science is the study of human interaction.
From understanding individuals' attitudes and behaviours through to how people act within groups and how institutions and cultures shape our behaviour.
Social sciences can tell us why the world is the way it is. Why do certain people and groups have power? Why do they make the decisions that they make? What kind of past decisions led us to the world that we're in today? We need to know why the world is the way it is in order to bring change.
In my own work, I've focused a lot on children, looking at how they are best protected in a situation of conflict or displacement.
Think about the exit poll, the poll that's conducted every general election when polling stations close. That is carried out by political scientists. They help us predict what the outcome of the election is going to be.
Answering important questions to society like how can we tackle climate change? How can we have a more sustainable way of life?
Social sciences are really beginning to shed light on how communities can work together to design better solutions for older adults who may experience health inequalities.
Social sciences gives you a range of skills, both quantitative and qualitative, so you can work with both numbers and words very fluently.
It's given me skills in research, writing, curiosity about the world.
On a really basic level, it will give you things like tools in argumentation. Something we really value in our students is the ability to construct a persuasive argument.
But it also gives you really important transferable skills like communication, organisation, teamwork as well.
The fields in which people who have studied social sciences can work are limitless.
You might work for national or local government, you might work for a business or a charity, the media, education.
You can stay within academia and specialise into a certain subject that you're really passionate about and try to give novel ways of thinking about stuff. We're really all-rounders, so we could go anywhere.
We're living in a time of huge challenges, and I think many of us want to feel that we are making a difference.
How can social sciences help create change? They can help inform leaders and governments to create better policies, and they can help people, individuals, to make a difference as well.
It's only by understanding that you're able to enact change.
Okay, so the video have provided us a glimpse, an idea of what the social sciences is all about. And the social sciences plays an integral role in understanding and shaping human society, influencing various facets of life, from personal decision making and community engagement to national policies and global relations. Yes, we are in the social sciences since you've been taking UMS. So, some are confused. Asam gid na ining UMS. Unsa may trabaho sa mga UMS major or the humanities and the social sciences. The video have already gave you a glimpse of what the social sciences is. Mainly, it's about the human being, your fellow human beings. Okay? And studying the social sciences provides foundational tools to critically analyze societal structures, behaviors, and institutions. So, for us to understand humanity, our fellow people, we need to look into the structures, the behaviors, and the institutions. This knowledge not only prepares students for careers in law, politics, education, and social work, but also equips them to actively engage in and contribute to their communities. So, as a UMS major, as a social science major, We are expected to engage and contribute to our fellow humanity, to the community, to where we are at. The relevance of social sciences in the real world is vast and multifaceted, directly impacting both individual lives and larger societal frameworks. So, we make a change, an influence to the lives of an individual or the group of people. So, therefore, as a UMS major, we should not be choosy with the people whom we are interacting with, because we are designed and given the knowledge and trainings and skills about how to deal with our fellow human beings. And we have here a mind map which will give us a overview of the whole complex branch of the social sciences. We can see that social sciences really did study sociology and also psychology, political science, even linguistics, anthropology, archaeology, the communications, economics, ethnic studies, ethnology, geography, history, and there are still many more. Okay, so long as it concerns human being, the social sciences is there. So, how the social sciences will transform you? Yes, being here in the humanities and social sciences will really transform you. It will influence your personal development and decision making, your active citizenship and community engagement, your career preparation and professional growth, and your social awareness and global perspective. So, this is how the social sciences as a field of study, this is how they will transform you metacognitively. Okay, so when it comes to the social sciences, we have to develop our personal development and decision making. So at an individual level, social sciences help students better understand themselves and the others. Naagyo na perminting word ng others sa social sciences. Okay? And fostering critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and empathy. So therefore, before we engage with people, we need to think before we move, before we do the shake hand, before we deliver the first word, or even before we reach the area where the people are or the others are located, then we have to think about it. Okay. And also we have to develop our emotional intelligence. So in the social sciences, we must be concerned with the feelings of others, and also we must learn to handle our feelings as well. And empathy is very important in the social sciences because that is our tool to connect with the others. These skills are essential in making informed personal decisions and navigating complex social interactions. So even as a simple way of saying hi for the social sciences, it's a complex one because there are many elements that are involved in that simple action. Also, in the social sciences, it can be applied for you, the UMS student. First of all, it will focus on the development of your self-awareness. Through psychology, UM students explore human behavior, motivation, and cognition. Understanding these concepts helps them or you make conscious, well-informed choices about your education, career paths, and personal relation. So, therefore, in the social sciences, it's mostly on the cognitive development. So you have to think about yourself and others, and also how will your decisions change or affect others and also yourself. That is why in the social sciences, we need to have critical thinking. And that is where courses like philosophy, sociology, that teach students like you to question assumptions, evaluate evidence, and understand diverse perspectives. These skills enable students like you to think critically about societal issues and make reasoned decisions in everyday life. Also, in the social sciences, regarding the real world application and in the workplace skills, employers highly value critical thinking and emotional intelligence, which are key outcomes of a social science education. The social sciences prepare students to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts, and understand team dynamics in professional setting. So therefore, as a social sciences, once we become professionals or we are in the workplace or our field of work, then therefore we are socially conscious individual. We are concerned with how people interact and how people function in their different roles. Okay. So, as a social science major, awareness is our primary tool. Okay. We have to be aware with our fellow human beings. Okay. Because we cannot think critically and have emotional intelligence if we are not aware of the others. And also, it would be difficult to communicate with them when we are not aware with how they do their communication, and it's also difficult to resolve conflicts if we are not aware with what's the reason of the conflict. Okay, so that is why in the social sciences we need to be socially aware. Also, in the real world, as a social science major, we are expected to be informed citizen. Okay, our knowledge from fields like political science, sociology, helps us, the individuals, understand our roles in society. But we are also able to participate in civic life and advocate for social justice. For instance, understanding economic policies enables us, the individuals of social sciences, to engage in informed debates about taxation, welfare, or public spending. Okay, because we are informed individual, so information is what we consume as a social science major. Also, as a social science major, we are expected to be active citizens, and also our community engagement should be present. The social sciences empower you or the individuals to actively participate in society and influence positive change by studying the structures of governments, economic systems, and social institutions. Students learn how they can impact their communities and advocate for social justice. So we need to be active and engaged. Kung sa Bisaya pa, apil-apilon. So maghisigi apil-apil ani as a UMS major, as someone in the social sciences. And when it comes to you as a UMS student, you need to be politically engaged. UMS student gain a comprehensive understanding of governance, political theory, and civic responsibilities through subjects like political science, your PPG. This equips them, or you, to engage in discussions about policy making and take part in democratic processes such as voting, activism, and running for office. Mao na nga sa school setting, most of the UMS major will participate or become candidates of the SSLG. Okay, because this is an avenue or a platform for them to exercise what they have learned in their political science subjects. Also, as a UMS student, you are expected to contribute to community development through subjects like sociology and anthropology. Because as a UM student, you study the complexities of social groups, cultural dynamics, and human interactions. This knowledge enables you to take leadership roles in community organizations, advocate for local issues, and contribute to societal development. Okay? So, therefore, as a UMS major, we are aware with our fellow human beings, the others, and also we have to take part with how the others are also doing their interaction and plannings in life. Okay, so inanata ka maapil-apilon as a UMS major. So, in the real world application, there are social movements and advocacies. Okay, as a social science graduate or a student, you are often at the forefront of social movements advocating for human rights, environmental protection, and political reform. So, may mga social movements. But not all social movements needs to be coercive or kanang conflicting. It just need to be able to express, okay, or to become voice to the voiceless. Okay? So therefore, you become an avenue or an help, an extension, a tool for others so they can also express their feelings or what they have in mind. Okay, so we become a tool for others as a social science major. For example, students who understand sociology can mobilize communities to address issues like poverty, education, or healthcare access. So there will be problems regarding poverty, education, or even healthcare. As a social science major, we must also learn to trace the root cause of this problem. So, mura tag mag-investigatory. Okay, mura sa tag mga detective as a social science major. Mo na nga, mga marites sa jud ta. As a social science major, we communicate with people. Magsusi-susi, pangitaon ang very root cause of the problem. Why? Because knowing the root cause of the problem will help us formulate, okay, ways or solutions to the problem. Also, in the real world application as a social science major, there will be public policy and governance that we need to work on. So, policymakers use data from social science research to design programs that address societal needs. So, doing research is part of the task of a social science major. Graduates with a background in political science or economics contribute to creating policies that promote social equity and sustainable development, such as poverty alleviation programs or environmental regulations. So, as a social science major, we are expected to do research, to gather information, and make use of this information through policy making or even organizing people in order to solve any problems in society. So therefore, as a social science major, we juggle between engaging with people, okay, and also exploring ideas in the social sciences. So, naana ta ka multitask ta in the social sciences. Also, in the social sciences, we'll also have our career preparation and professional growth. UMS students are often drawn to careers that involve human interaction. Yes, bawal magtago-tago sa UMS. Lisod jud kay magtago-tago. Okay? So, we can run but we can't hide. Okay? At makikita, makikita, makikita ra gyud. Okay? So also, as a UMS student, we are to communicate and have social change. So inana ta ka um ka busy as a social science major because we have to deal with people and not just connecting with them but also influencing them because our influence have objectives. Okay, when we interact with people, there are objectives to attain. Also, in the social sciences, it provides a strong foundation for a wide range of professions. A wide range. So, daghang pwede adtuan ang usa ka UMS major, including education, law, social work, business, and public service. Where there is people, there is the social science major. Okay? So, wherever humanity goes, we are there. Okay? Because our primary study is the people. Okay? The others. Also, when it comes to application to you as a UMS student, your career in education, if ever you choose to be in the field of education, um, the subjects in psychology, sociology, and education prepares student to become educators. So therefore, education is to teach, okay? Because we understand the diverse needs of learners. Okay, because we don't just study adults. We don't just study group of people. Okay, we are diversive when it comes to our studies. Okay, we are diversive when we look at society. We don't just look at it in a single lens, but in a multi-dimensional level. Okay, mo nang sa social sciences, juggling gyud tag mga klase-klaseng field of learning. Okay? So that is why medyo tiring sad, exhausting pod ang social sciences, pero it's very fun when you learn something new about your fellow human being. Daghang kay mga aha moments. Okay? And as a social science major, you may become future teachers, okay? And you gain insights into effective teaching methods, classroom management, and student psychology. Okay, so you will understand the thinking of the young learners. Okay, because in education, you study the patterns of behavior, man said. Okay, so you look at the responses, whether they are in or out with the methods that you introduce or the idea that you introduce. So it's about being aware with the subjects that you have in front. Okay, because in the social sciences, our subject is the people. Also, as a UM student, you can have opportunities in law and legal professions because you will have knowledge in political science and sociology. So you will be studying political system, okay, what we have discussed in PPG, like power, and sociology and how people work as a group. Okay, so as a UMS student, it provides you with an understanding of legal systems, human rights, and social justice, which are essential for careers in law. This education also hones critical thinking and argumentation skills, crucial for legal practice. So, understanding the system is very important because you, as a HUMS major, as a social science major, or even to become a future lawyer, You are to defend the rights of others. And also, you are there to uphold social justice. And when it comes to the real world application, as a HUMS major, you can enter the field of human resource and organizational development. Okay, because businesses rely on social scientists to improve employee relations, organizational culture, and productivity. So that is why in the corporate world, they do not just hire mga accountant, okay, mga chemists, mga engineers, but they also need people who knows how to deal with other people. Okay, and that is why organizational culture is important. Okay, because mga bright na sila math ug science, but they do not like to work with each other. Then therefore, they cannot come up with a new product or service. So mo na ang trabaho sa social science major is to deal with this smart people. Okay? Yes, bright sila. Okay? Kamao sila ana, kamao sila buhat og toothpaste, kamao sila mohimo og mga products. Okay? Maka-design sila og sakyanan. Okay? But without the other people helping them come up or produce that product or service, then therefore it will remain as an idea. So that is why, as a social science major in the field of business, we become tool or a bridge for the smart people to work with the laborers. Okay, so that is why we handle people. Okay, so we do not design the product or service, but we manage the people that will be doing that. Okay, so graduates with a background in psychology or sociology are often involved in recruitment, leadership training, and conflict resolution within the companies. So, therefore, our job is to make them human, okay, for them to be conscious with the others. Okay. And also, we are present in public relations and media. That is our role as a social science major because understanding human behavior, communication theory, and public opinion are crucial for careers in media, journalism, and public relations. Since we are expected to be informed individuals, yes, as a HUMS major, we feed on information. So therefore, we make use of this information also to inform others. That is why, as a social science major, we are present in media, journalism, and public relations. Okay. As a social science graduates, we use this insight to craft compelling narratives, manage corporate or political reputations. So, panagsa na yung mga sociologists and political scientists nga mo mga script writer sa mga or speech writer sa mga politicians. They've also become advisors. Okay, sila mo tighunghong kung saan nga hitabo sa ilang barangay or sa munisipyo. Okay, so those are the tasks of a social science major. And because the goal is to influence public perception. Okay? Because we understand how human beings interact. Also, in the social sciences, we develop our social awareness and global perspective. Social sciences broaden students' worldviews by exposing them to global challenges and diverse cultural experiences. This perspective fosters an understanding of interconnected social, economic, and political systems, both locally and globally. So therefore, as a HUMS major, our idea about ourselves and others is not just limited in our neighborhood, in our locality, but also in a national and international level. Why? because there are experiences and ideas from the outside that can be beneficial to us from the locality. Okay, so there might be experiences in other parts of the country that can be useful, okay, for us in our locality, that can help our neighborhood. Okay, so that is why a social science major needs to feed on information. So magsige tag susi-susi, mag-search-search, magbasa-basa, okay, magpangita og mga latest nga mga information. Also, when it comes to the application as a UM student, our global citizenship perspective or courses like in economics, history, and political science will enable you, the social science student, to understand global issues such as inequality, migration, and international relations. This global perspective prepares you to become responsible global citizens who can advocate for international cooperation and sustainable development. Okay, so kanang mga subjects sa economics, history, political science, okay, mugawas gina siya sila sa Pilipinas, mangita gina sila mga stories or mga data or information that can enhance our economic, historical, or political knowledge. Also, as a UMS major, we are also to develop our cultural sensitivity through anthropology and sociology, which provides you, the students, with insights into the diversity of human cultures, beliefs, and practices. Manang, as a UMS major, we behave differently than the rest. Why? Because we look at people in an anthropological and sociological level. Kung nagkagubot na sila anang mga butang, kita mga social sciences, we just look at it and try to understand ngano nagkagubot sila. Okay? So, ingon ana ra gyud ta mga social science majors. So, we don't dive in with what's going on around us. Okay, but we try to step back and look at it on a macro level, and then we step in to understand the micro level. Okay, so unsa man ginaa di ay. Okay, so that is why questions are very important in the social sciences. Okay, and our knowledge fosters cultural sensitivity and empathy. Okay, so lisod kayo mahukta dayon sa emotion as a social science major. Kaya nga naman, we allow critical thinking to happen man before making the decision. So this cultural sensitivity enables you, the social science student, to navigate multicultural environments, whether in local communities or in international contexts. So, therefore, as a social science major, we are expected to be flexible with many or different types of people. In the real world application, as a social science student, you are able to enter the international relations and diplomacy profession. Graduates who pursue careers in international relations or sa undergraduate sa college gitawag siya international studies or diplomacy use their social science background to address global challenges such as peace building, human rights, and environmental sustainability. Okay? Because as a social science major, our goal is to preserve humanity. Hindi na nato pwede nga mga hurot na nagkawa ang mga tao. Okay? Kaya wala na tayo subject, wala na tayo tunan. Okay? We preserve them. Okay? Because they are our subject. They are our means of knowing things. Okay? And also in the international relations, their understanding of political and cultural systems helps them foster cooperation between nations. Okay, because we believe in the power of dialogue, the power of being able to talk to people. Mga nga sa UMS major, mga tabian gid mo. Also, in the social sciences, we work on with environmental policy and advocacy. Social scientists play a critical role in addressing climate change and ecological degradation. Okay, because ang tao wala gyud na siya pakialam sa iyang environment, given gyud na. Okay, kaya superior man ang tao sa nature. Okay, bahala na mga putol ng mga kahoy, mga guba. Pero when a social science major steps in to the or to the issue, iya din ang damayon ang tao. Okay, sige, mamutol mo kahoy, magka-flash flood, mga guba inyong balay. Therefore, kurata na ang mga tao. So, they will try to change themselves, create policies para ma-avoid na. Okay, so that is why us as a social science major, our job is to be able to work as an extended brain for others. Okay, di man gina sila ka maumuna-huna class. The others are so busy with their individual survival and opportunities in life. But we in the social sciences, yes, we may have been busy with our own survival also, but our survival and existence depend on others. That is why we function as a secondary brain, or we become a consciensya sa uban. Okay, so that they can reflect on themselves. Okay, so as a social sciences, being in the social sciences, by understanding the relationship between human behavior and the environment, we advocate for policies that promote sustainability and environmental justice. So, to conclude, the social sciences be as a bridge between education and society. So we become a bridge, okay, from educating and helping people know to the greater population. For students in the humanities and social sciences strand, the study of social sciences bridges the gap between academic learning and real-world application. These disciplines not only provide the intellectual tools needed to understand societal structures and human behavior, but also empower students to actively shape the world around them. Whether through personal growth, active citizenship, or professional development, the skills and knowledge gained from social sciences are essential for creating informed, empathetic, and engaged members of society. In a world increasingly shaped by complex social, political, and economic challenges, the application of social sciences is indispensable for individuals striving to make meaningful contributions at both the local and global levels. Yes, ay mo kawad ano anang enthusiasm in the field of social sciences kay naaragin mo'y kabutangan. Okay? So naaragin mo'y trabahoon. So long as there are people, there is opportunity. Whether it's a good, bad people, they are subjects to be studied. And they are also an opportunity for us to learn more about others, the people. Okay, so ingana na kita sa social sciences. And yes, if you have your takeaways from this discussion, you can write it down in your notebook and take a picture of it, and you can send it to me through the group chat or by directly sending me a message. That's it for us. Thank you for listening for the discussion, and goodbye.